Hi, in this video we will show you how to create an account on Fiverr. Open the Fiverr website and click on the join button. Now select the option you want to join through. I will suggest you join through an email address instead of a Facebook account, or for quick you can join through Google as well. Now make a username, and remember, username and display name both are different, so choose wisely. Make the password and it should have at least 8 characters. After completing the registration step, a confirmation email will be sent to your account. Confirm that. And now at the bottom, you will find the option Become Seller. If you want to create a seller account, just go through the instructions given in the video. Complete all the skills and experience carefully, because these are few things that will help you get the projects, so try to make your profile unique and catchy. Thank you for watching. Have any query, comment down below. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.